Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's review the perpendicular snap. At the command line, type snap. This opens up the drafting settings. Make sure you're on the Object Snap tab, and we're taking a look at the perpendicular snap. The description: snaps to a point perpendicular to an object, such as an arc, circle, ellipse, elliptical arc, line, multi-line, polyline, ray, region, 3D solid, spline, or X-line. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to draw a random vertical line, maybe through an arc there, maybe a shape. And now I'm going to use the line command to draw a line perpendicular to these elements that I just drew on my screen. Make sure you have your snaps turned on. If not, you can also come to the command line and type PER for perpendicular. So here is our perpendicular line along this line here. Same for this arc here. There goes our perpendicular line here, and oops, PER. Okay, there goes our perpendicular lines. Let's just throw a quick dimension in there just to make sure we are okay at 90 degrees. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.